Hi, welcome to this video. If you're here to find out how to get Shopify for free forever, I have to be honest with you. Shopify is a subscription-based service and isn't free. However, if you're interested in using Shopify, you can take advantage of their current promotion, which offers the first month for just $1. This is a great way to explore all the features Shopify has to offer without committing to the full cost up front. If you're interested in getting a Shopify store for just $1 for the first month, click the link in the description to start your 1-month trial today. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur looking to set up an online store, Shopify is likely on your radar. Known for its ease of use, robust features, and excellent customer support, Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform. However, it's not free. In this video, we'll explore how you can use Shopify for practically free, taking advantage of their $1 for the first month trial. Here are 10 compelling advantages of taking advantage of Shopify's first month for $1 promotion. Or 1. Low-risk exploration. For just $1, you can explore all the features and functionalities of Shopify without a significant financial commitment. This allows you to assess whether the platform suits your business needs. 2. Full access to features. Unlike some trials that limit functionality, this promotion gives you full access to Shopify's robust feature set. You can test everything from inventory management to marketing tools. 3. Perfect for setup. Setting up an online store can be time-consuming. The $1 trial month gives you ample time to design your store, add products, configure settings, and launch, all while keeping costs minimal. 4. Test market viability. Use this month to test your product's market viability. You can run promotions, drive traffic, and see how customers respond to your store and products without a high initial investment. 5. Experience real-time support. During your trial, you can experience Shopify's excellent customer support. This ensures you get the help you need while setting up your store and addressing any issues that arise. 6. Learn and adapt. The first month is perfect for learning how to navigate the platform, utilizing Shopify's extensive educational resources like tutorials, webinars, and guides to maximize your store's potential. 7. Integrate with apps. Experiment with various free and paid apps from Shopify's App Store to enhance your store's functionality. This trial period allows you to identify which apps are essential for your business. 8. Optimize your store. Use the time to optimize your store for search engines and improve your online presence. Implement SEO strategies. Improve site speed and ensure your store is mobile-friendly. 9. Evaluate business costs. By using Shopify for a month, you can get a clear picture of the ongoing costs associated with running your store, including app subscriptions, transaction fees, and other expenses, helping you plan your budget more effectively. 10. Plan for the future. The first month for $1 promotion gives you a head start in planning your long-term strategy. Whether it's marketing, inventory management, or customer service, you can set the foundation for future success. The link is in the description. Taking advantage of Shopify's $1 for the first month offer is an excellent opportunity to get your online store up and running with minimal initial investment, giving you a solid foundation to build upon. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel.